Like I never left.
Captions.
But I actually did leave for a day. Huh?
This is the caption.
Bobby's making TikToks and I'm about to work on Bobby's car. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are working on Bobby's STI. You excited?
Over static.
Over static.
No, over static.
Over ecstatic.
Oh, I need to go to sleep.
There's this guy I've been following on Instagram for a while. He's got a dope Evo. John Ubi with a black Evo 8. He makes like custom diffusers and lips and skirts and whatnot. And he started making diffusers for 15 plus WXs and STIs. And he hit me up and he said, yo, you want one for Bobby's car? I showed Bobby a photo. I'll throw the photo on the screen. And Bobby said,
hell yeah. Gary needs a fatter booty.
okay, so now we got this diffuser. I was initially just gonna get like a Varus diffuser for your car. Like that's ultimate, like game changer, right?
Technically, I really wanted a spiky diffuser because I really wanted some pizzazz, a little sharp edge.
She's obsessed with like spiky diffusers, spiky lug nuts, spiky.
Devin, honey, no, that's...
Yeah, so I think this diffuser is gonna look pretty good. Where is it? Is it in your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, hold on, let me grab my keys. Oh, look at that thing.
I like the car already with no diffuser. I think it looks beautiful, but we'll see how it looks with the diffuser. Hopefully it looks good. I'm excited.
I washed your towels. Can you grab them?
So this is like a, what would you call it? Material inside of a box. So it's not like a Voltex diffuser where it's like just one big piece you bolt on. We have to assemble this thing.
Very interesting.
Huh. It's flexible
You
plastic.
can just put that wherever.
Sorry. I'm gonna set up a time lapse. Let's get this thing fully assembled. If we do have to get the car up in the air, like on the lift, to install the diffuser, I just spit. Then we will, but I don't think we're gonna have to, but Bobby, for some reason, wants to. A little sus. But yeah, let's get her knocked out, and if it is cool, then Bobby will be happy.
Honey, why don't you take your hat off? You just got a haircut.
Cause I'm half bald, bro.
Ooh.
If anybody can, if anyone, you know, does hair surgery, bang my line. Well, you tell me all the time to get a hair transplant.
No,
Mom,
I do not.
This shit's half bald. Even the comments say it.
I never tell him ever to get a hair transplant.
Bobby actually, every single time I don't have a hat on, Bobby says, dude, you're ugly as shit.
No, I do not. I say if he wants one, then he should get one. But we don't know anything about it. So if you've gotten one before, let us know.
A hair transplant?
Sure.
I know some people that have gotten it.
Like who?
I don't, just people.
You're lying.
Google.
Google. Okay.
Google told me.
All right.
No, I'm only allowed one mod a year. This year was the teeth, right? Even though I got a big ass gap now, they're freaking them up. Maybe next year I can get this yellow shit under my eyes removed. I'm just gonna shout myself out for all my disabilities real quick. And then the year after that I can get new hair. And then I think maybe after that I'll get some steroids and get really strong.
Okay. Right now?
There's about 100 rivets that hold this diffuser together. My rivet gun is a hunk of shit, so I smashed it on the ground and we're gonna go buy another one. Hopefully it goes a little faster because it's taking forever. That took, I would say, 2.5 hours to assemble this diffuser.
Right.
So we are going to, here, hold up. Here's how she looks. These sides get bolted on after the center section gets bolted onto the car. But here's a rough idea of how the entire diffuser looks assembled. There's a lot going on. Hopefully it looks good on the car. I'm nervous just because there's a lot going on. I like that style on the Evo. I think that looks sick. But regardless, we got to get the car on the lift. STI is actually going on the dyno tomorrow, which is exciting. But let's get all 3 of these cars out, get Gary on the lift, and put the diffuser on. We got Gary on the lift. I have no clue how this thing mounts up, so I'm just gonna wing it, and hopefully it fits with our ETS exhaust. I know they made it to work with a Tome, but hopefully it fits with the ETS. So let's give her hell and see what happens. Here's one last look of how it looks with no diffuser. Total of about 5 to 6 hours to install this diffuser. Holy shit. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I'm extremely hungry. Hangry. Shaky hangry. I'm dieting right now because I'm obese. Well, I'm not obese, but I'm fat. What do you think so far?
So far, we're having issues with it slightly hitting the exhaust.
It's hitting the exhaust a lot.
Which is a little sketch because I don't want anything to melt onto the exhaust. Secondly, there's a lot of silver hardware going on. Not a huge fan, but I'm only looking at it from this point of view. From this point of view, like I've been sitting right here, and take a look from this point of view.
Tons of silver hardware.
Yeah.
All the hardware silver, which is something I noticed right away too. If all the hardware was black, I think it'd look better. But Bob, go ahead, lower her down and see how she looks.
Oh yeah, it looks good. I'm such a racer.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. It gives it a little bit more something.
I'll show you guys some more tomorrow when it's light out again. I think personally, if we could black out all the hardware, that would help a lot. Don't mind the blinking or the flashing light. Drop a comment below, guys. What do you think? Keep it or not? Bob and I have not cruised tubes together forever. All right, I told you guys I'd let you know how it looked in the morning. So let's check this bad boy out. I did talk to the manufacturer or the company that makes these diffusers. They did let me know it should be about 1 inch lower than what it is now. That center section's got to be dropped down about 1 inch off the bumper. So we'll have to get that done. And how you do that is those 2 bolts right there. pretty big bolts, like anchor bolts up in there. That is the finished final product of the Ubi made diffuser. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the diffuser. If you want to pick one up for your own car, I will have a link down below. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.